Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a very dry skin and therefore it shows up in all the places. One of that is a cracked heel. My heels sometimes become very rough and dry and cracked, and it's quite embarrassing and also painful. I have tried all my DIYs which works on my face and skin, but it has not worked on for this cracked heel. But I found a product which has worked immensely. This is the Fixiderma's foot cream, which has lactic acid, urea, and glycerin. It has worked well for me, so I thought I'll make a review video. I followed a method in using this, so I'll show you how I did. So if you want to know what to do for cracked heel problems and which product to use, you can continue watching. So first of all, I will be cleaning my feet or the cracked heel. For that, I have taken a bucket filled with little hot water or warm water, and I'm going to drop in few drops of shampoo or body wash, whatever soapy solution, so that it will remove all the dirt, grease, or whatever is accumulated on your feet, on your cracked heels. It's very important that the cracked heels become open and clean, so that you can apply this foot cream, which works deep inside your cracked feet or cracked heel. So here I've just worked up lather, and I'm going to immerse my feet, so focusing on the heels, so that the heels become soft, and so that I can scrub it later. You need to at least soak for 10 to 15 minutes. If you find the water is too cold, you can add in a little bit extra warm water, so that you can feel the warmth of the water. It's important that the water is warm, and because it becomes, your skin becomes soft because of warm water. This is what they do usually in the parlors when you go for a pedicure or whatever. They charge you a lot of money, but you can do this in the house. So here I am doing exactly that. For now, the cracked heel has become a little bit soft. I'm going to scrub it using this scrubber. This is from Vega. I just had purchased a long time back. So this works well. So you can just take the rough side and scrub your soaked heels. This will help to exfoliate the dead skin cells. Very with the light pressure you need to scrub it. If you put more pressure, then you will be doing more damage to your feet or to your soles than trying to help it heal. So as you can see, it's being removed. So instead of putting this foot cream directly on your feet, this method works. You need not do it every time you apply the foot cream, just once, and this will work within a week. That's how it has helped me. This extra step I followed, it is totally optional. If you don't want, you can skip it, but I'm going to do it because I had soaked my feet entirely in the warm water, and my feet has become a little bit soft, and I'm going to remove the dead skin cells off the feet also. For that, I'm using a bath powder. You can also use a mixture of coffee powder, rice powder, add in a little bit of lemon juice, and apply it all over your feet, and scrape off the dead skin cells on the feet also. The cream or oils or whatever you might have applied on the feet to soften and keep it moisturized during winters, all those things will be removed with this method. Once you are done, you need to wipe off with the cloth so that it becomes dry, and your feet is ready to be applied with the foot cream. This is the Fixiderma's foot cream, which has urea, glycerin, and lactic acid, which helps to reduce a cracked heel, heal the cracks. That is what it claims, and it has done it for me. I have purchased this online. Maybe it is available in the supermarket also. I don't know, but I'll leave the link in the description box. You can check it out. You can purchase if you like it. And this is not a sponsored video, so I'm not endorsing this product. So this is how it looks. It's quite soft, gel like, silicone, very smooth, very creamy, and this has to be applied on your feet, which you just cleaned, which you have just removed all the dead skin cells. So applying, make sure that you fill the cream inside the cracks also. So smoothly, gently rub it, and you can cover it with a cotton socks or even a polythene cover, and leave it for a few hours before you can walk. It's best used during the night time. Since I have shot this video in the day, I am using it, I am trying it. And for the next 6 nights, I applied this cream regularly, and this worked very well. Slowly, my cracked heel started to heal. I was very happy with this product. So, I thought I'll make a video and show you if someone is suffering from this cracked heel and don't know what to do, then you can go ahead and buy this Fixiderma foot cream. This is not a sponsored video, so I'm just telling you it's a good product. So, at the end of the 6th day, this is my cracked heel position. This is my feet. It is healed, so you can go ahead and buy this product. So it may work for some people within 6 days, it may take 10 days for others, so it all depends on your skin type. So if you want more such reviews, please follow my channel. Thanks for watching.